If you're still manually logging every cent in a spreadsheet to control your spending, you're doing it the hard way. Every hour spent tracking transactions is an hour that could be spent building real wealth. And the truth is, manual systems are vulnerable to mistakes, missed entries, and emotional decisions. Most people believe financial success comes from discipline alone, but discipline is unreliable. Some days you're motivated, some days you're not. Math doesn't care about motivation.
This is too much. I can't track all these expenses.
Are designed to work automatically whether you feel inspired or not. The biggest mistake people make is trying to outwork their finances. They manually review expenses, manually transfer money, manually decide when to save, and manually choose when to invest. That creates friction. Every decision becomes an opportunity to procrastinate,
I really do not need this.
Forget. Instead of relying on willpower, smart wealth builders rely on systems. The goal is not to become better at tracking money. The goal is to eliminate unnecessary decisions completely. That's where the set and forget wealth blueprint comes in. This simple 3-step system automates the most important parts of your financial life so your money works even when you're not paying attention. Step 1 is the automation foundation. The moment your income arrives, a predetermined amount should automatically move into your primary savings account. Don't wait until the end of the month to see what's left over. By then, most people have already spent more than they planned. Saving first changes the entire equation. Your savings become a priority instead of an afterthought. The money leaves before you have a chance to spend it, creating a powerful habit without requiring daily effort. Over time, these automatic transfers begin to accumulate. Month after month, your savings balance grows without requiring constant attention. What starts as a small automatic transfer can eventually become a substantial financial cushion. The key is consistency, not perfection. Step 2 is the investing engine. Once your savings automation is active, connect your main account to your investment platform and schedule recurring contributions into diversified index funds. This removes emotion from investing. Most people try to time the market, waiting for the perfect opportunity. Unfortunately, the perfect opportunity rarely feels perfect when it arrives. Automation solves this problem. Whether markets are rising, falling, or moving sideways, your contributions continue on schedule. This strategy allows you to benefit from long-term market growth while avoiding emotional decision-making. Years and decades of consistent investing Step 3 is the safety net. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, appliances fail, unexpected bills, emergencies happen when you least expect them. That's why a dedicated emergency fund is essential. Set aside automatic transfer into a separate savings account specifically for emergencies. This ensures that when life happens, you already have resources to cover it. Instead of scrambling for money or running into debt, your emergency fund stands ready to absorb financial shocks. The result is less stress, more confidence, and greater financial security. When these 3 systems work together, cease for emergency funds, savings are automated, investments continue consistently, emergency reserves and create a financial system that scales with your income. The people who achieve long-term financial success are the ones making hundreds of financial decisions every month. They're the ones who build systems that make the right decisions automatically. If you're serious about improving your finances, start implementing these 3 automation rules today. Download the automation checklist below and use it as your roadmap. And if you want more practical strategies to simplify money management, build wealth, and create financial freedom, subscribe and follow for more content from Flow State Finance.